Hi there, welcome to Nick's Hobby Bench. My name is Nick, and in this video today we're going to be painting the third night incantor, and yeah, let's get into it. The first colour we're going to be putting on is this Cantor Blue. This first one just goes on the back here, on these, here, on his shoulder pad, and on this apron thing here, and I believe that is everything. Let that dry and then I'll put on the second coat. That's what it looks like after the second coat. Right. The next colour we're going to be putting on is this lead belcher. And this one goes on the hammers of Sigmar, so on here, on there, up around here, on these little spikes here, on these little pieces down here, and on these here, and I believe that is everything. Let some of it dry and then I'll put on the second coat. The next colour we're going to be putting on is this Korox White. And this one just goes on the lightning bolts here, the lightning bolts on there, on his hair here, on his beard and on his hair, and on the apron thing here. Alrighty, and this one just goes on like his body armor. That's dry, check the second coat. Now I'm waiting for that to dry though, I'm gonna quickly paint the lightning bolts together. The next thing we're going to be putting on is this Bugman's Glove. And this one just goes on the flesh part, so just on the face, on his ear there. And I believe that there is his skin, so it goes on there as well. And along his back as well. Just realized I didn't do his eyebrows. He ain't got no eyebrows. The next color we're going to be putting on is this Rakat flesh. And this one just goes on the little banner thing down here. Oh, and he now has eyebrows. They're a bit how you doing, but you got eyebrows. The next colour we're going to be putting on is this Mephiston Red. And this colour just goes on all these little bits on the front here, on this little bit here, on these parts here, on this part here, just down the side, right there. There is supposed to be a line too that goes across here, but I ain't that good. Wow. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna keep that line there. Oh wow, I'll let that dry and I'll do a second coat. Okay, so I took the red line away, I tried to fix it up, and yeah, no, I just decided to abandon the whole idea of the red line there. So yeah, the next color we're going to be putting on is this Abaddon Black. Yeah. The next thing goes on this one down on them there, and on his gloves here. next colour we're going to put on is a Screamer Pink. And this one just goes on the handles, here and here. I don't have the right colour to paint that a light blue and that there a light blue, so I'm just going to mix white and blue together, see what happens. This will do. So, sort of white and blue. The first shade we're going to be putting on is Nuln Oil, and this just goes on the gunmetal areas. The next shade we're going to put on is the Carabao Crimson, and this one just goes on the pink and red area. The next shade we're going to be putting on is this Breakland Flesh shade. This one just goes on the flesh areas and all the golden areas. Next shade we're going to be putting on is this Drakenhof Nightshade. This one just goes on all the blue areas. And the last shade we're going to put on is this Agrax Air shade. And this last one just goes on all the pathway area. Well, the pathway area. I'll just quickly do the base and show you all the finished result. See you all in a couple of seconds. Took me a while to find this guy. Finally found him. He's in this box right here. If you want to paint him, this one right here. I think I've already got a video of these guys, but I might paint them anyway and just, I don't know, maybe make a video out of it again. Probably not. But yeah, thank you all for watching the video. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you like, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.